Signiel Seoul, 76th floor of Lotte World Tower, with a marble tub angled straight at the Han River. The rate is steep, the view is famous, and this is a room tour, honestly. The actual Deluxe King, the dawn view that sells the place, the 81st floor breakfast, and a quiet lake loop 10 minutes from the front door. Stay or skip. The Deluxe King, Riverside, sits on the 76th floor in warm walnut and brushed brass. The desk is a stone slab, heavier than it looks, and the marble tub is angled toward the window, so the Han River runs along the rim. Linens are crisp without being stiff. The closet hides a full-length mirror, and the kettle boils fast. Sound insulation is the quiet luxury here. Even on a Friday night, the room stays hushed. Request a high-floor Riverside at booking. The standard King without the view is the same room, different story. Set an alarm about 20 minutes before sunrise. From the 76th floor, the Han River turns silver before the city wakes, and Namsan Tower lights stay on just long enough to catch first warmth on the hills. Open the blackout curtain in stages. The room glows cool blue, then gold floods the walnut. This is the moment that earns the rate, and a phone camera handles it well. Skip the morning gym for 15 minutes. The view goes flat. Breakfast at Stay on the 81st floor is precise rather than abundant. The Korean banchan section is the giveaway. Small bowls, properly seasoned, refreshed through the morning, instead of sitting under heat lamps. The omelet bar runs calm. The in-house pastries are baked the same morning, and the coffee is pulled, not pumped. It is not a Vegas spread. That is the point. Arrive between 7 and 8 for a window-side two-top without waiting. 3 quick tips. Book the Riverside specifically, not just a high-floor king. Confirm a sunrise wake-up call the night before. Since the curtain is opaque and the alarm matters, lounge access on club floors is worth running the math, especially when breakfast and evening drinks are both on the plan. The basement exit to Seokchon Lake beats the lobby route. Save it for morning. Top pick is Signiel Seoul itself, a high-floor Riverside Deluxe King. The view, the breakfast, and the lake walk all sit inside one address, which is half the price of convenience. So, worth the rate? On a clear morning with the Riverside booked, yes. On a hazy day in a City View King, the math gets harder. Next on Hotel Lens, a closer look at Sofitel Ambassador across the lake. Subscribe if room tours honestly are how you plan a trip.